Hi everyone. Today discuss the topic suppression of concern. Suppression of concern means divide the entire program into various sections based on functionality, that is known as suppression of concern. Each section run independently, that is known as without effect on other service, that is known as suppression of concern. Change mode in one section does not affect another section, that is known as suppression of concern. Suppression of concern, for example, I am created in college application. First module content code related to login page. Second module content code related to student attendance page. Third module content code related to faculty login page. Fourth module content code related to student department. Okay, totally 4 modules is there. First module contain code related to student login page, store the data in database. Second module contain code related to student attendance page. Attendance page totally stored in database, separate database. Next module contain code related to faculty login form. Faculty login form database stored in data in database. Fourth module contain code related to student department. Student department stored in a separate database. For example, total data ante first module separate database, second module separate database, third module separate database, fourth module separate database, that is known as suppression of content. For example, one module effect in change mode in లేదా effect in one module does not affect in other section, that is known as suppression of concern. Example of suppression of concern. Next module, next suppression of concern benefits. First one వచ్చేసి maintainability, next one వచ్చేసి scalability, next one testability, next one complexity. This is the real time example of suppression of concern. First one, imagine one restaurant lo separation of separate departments is there. Chef handle the total cooking purpose, waiter handle the total services, next one cashier handle the total cash. Total 3 parts is there. Without suppression of concern, chef only sometime cooking, so sometime restaurant, sometime handle the cashier, but cashier sometime handling the cooking, so sometime handling the cleaning. Total without suppression of some concern means effect in this one. Suppression of concern means effect in one place does not affect in other place, but without suppression of concern means something work, something some person, something work some person, something work some person. That's one so many problems issues. Real world example of suppression of concern. First one MEC architecture, next one microservice architecture, next one client service architecture, next one layered architecture.